Hello guys, I got this package from Banggood with the Eachine e010C drone in order to review it. First of all, we have the drone, the Eachine 010, yeah, which you also can buy it in a separate package. Yeah, pretty small and interesting. We have the battery, which is of 150 milliamps, 1S battery. We have the spare propellers and the charger, and yeah, the mini FPV camera, which I'm really curious to see how is the image quality. It's a 25 milliwatts camera with 40 channels, pretty small. Yeah, we also have the power cord and the mounting tape, instructions for the quadcopter, but I never read them. So let's quickly assemble the drone, this kit, to see how it flies. Okay. We also have this plastic to secure the camera. Yeah, okay, looks good. Doesn't seem to be... yeah, I guess it's safe. Yeah. Okay, so the binding procedure is you open the takes, you plug in the battery to the drone, and then you switch up and down again, and now it's binded. Yeah, looks like it's working. Let's see how the camera works. Okay, so for FPV, of course, you're gonna need the goggles. Also, I have the Eachine EV800, which they are pretty awesome. I like them a lot. Yeah, let's see how the camera quality, image quality is. Okay, looks pretty good to me. Okay guys, so this little toy is very fun. The image quality is great. As you've seen, through the two concrete walls it's not so good, but from the next room to the other it's perfect. The quality is good. Yeah, definitely a perfect choice for a newcomer to FPV. So if you want to get into FPV, buy this kit. You can go wrong. You can use the FPV camera to any other kit also. Yeah, so great kit from Banggood. See you next time. Bye.